Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an image a circle in Canva. Let's get into it. First, open your design and find the shapes. Open your project and look for the menu that has different shapes and items. You need to find a special holder that will change the shape of your picture. Click on the button on the left side that says Elements. Scroll down until you see the section called Frames and click See All. These frames act like a cookie cutter for your pictures. Next, pick the round frame, choose the circle shape from the list of frames, and place it onto your workspace. Look for the plain circle that has a picture of a blue sky and green grass inside. Then click on it to add it to your design. This frame tells Canva to hide the corners of your picture so it appears perfectly round. Next, put your picture inside the circle, go to your pictures or upload a new one, then drag it over the circle frame. Release your mouse once the picture snaps into the round shape. Canva will automatically crop away the extra corners. This is the key step that makes your image appear as a perfect circle instantly. And that's it. To make a round picture in Canva, go to the Elements menu, choose the circle frame, drag your image into it, then adjust the position and save your design. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.